Welcome back.
Hello.
Pop in the box this time. And I know we're wearing the same clothes as last time. Isn't that strange? It's almost like these are back to back. Or these are days apart and we're wearing the same clothing. The world will never know. Except they'll know now. It's the same day. I had to. Oh hey, what do you know? I got Ultra Instant, which is funny because my mother-in-law got me this for Christmas. And All Might from My Hero Academia, an anime which I tried to get into and I thought was terrible. I usually try to give an anime 3 episodes, but I couldn't even do that for this. I gave it like 2 episodes and no, it's shit.
So should I update our subscription?
Probably.
Okay, so we will be updating our subscription apparently.
Yep.
So you may not see the things that you typically see on this channel for the Pop in the Box.
These ones will probably be sold off.
More than likely.
Alright. Have a good day. Bye-bye.